Good Thursday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and this is your outlook for May 14th, 2015. And we're going to start off with a look at Thursday here. We're going to have high pressure building in from our northwest here. It's going to settle right over top of the area here today. So it's going to be one of those days where you have bright sunshine, lighter winds. I know we had a little bit of gusty winds yesterday. We're now dealing with the calmer winds, and high pressure sitting over top of us will give us the mostly sunny skies. It might be one of those situations where you might not even see a cloud in the sky with the high pressure sitting right over top of us. But that is going to change as we get into Friday. High pressure is going to sink off to our east here. It's going to allow temperatures to increase a little bit. Now today is going to be near normal for this time of year, but we're expecting temperatures to increase a little bit as we get into Friday, and that's because as high pressure is sinking off the east, the return flow is allowing for a more southerly flow, and then we're going to have these showers are going to be approaching. Now, I don't think that we're going to get into the shower activity too much here Friday night. This is going to, Friday night, I'm sorry. We are going to have a warm front move through. It's going to favor a passing shower in the evening hours for mainly the northern parts of our coverage area. Very, very light here as indicated by the GFS. And then we get into the overnight hours, and that's already north of us. So I'm really not expecting too much in the way of precipitation from this. It might be a completely dry frontal passage for most locations. And you can see this high pressure still sitting out here to the east here, keeping the warmer temperatures. But with that warm front, once that warm front moves through, we're going to actually head into the 80s again this weekend. The heat is going to increase, and so is the humidity. So a good portion of our coverage area will be under the 80-degree, over the 80-degree mark for both Saturday and Sunday. It now looks like we actually increased our projections from our previous graphics that you had in the local forecast or the regional forecasts from the 70s to the 80s now. So we'll be very warm. We are going to have, with that instability in place, we will have the opportunity for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Here's a GFS outlook for Saturday evening here with that scattered thunderstorm potential. This is going to be very welcomed rain if we do get it. I don't see a tremendous amount of rain. It's going to be more hit or miss. But the areas that do get it obviously will benefit from that, and not a lot of rain here, but we could certainly use it. And then this is mainly favoring the afternoon hours for scattered showers and thunderstorms to pop up here on Saturday. And then Sunday we'll have an opportunity for a thunderstorm as well, but this is going to be more isolated, we think, on Sunday. Here's a look at Sunday. You see very isolated pop-up showers or perhaps a thunderstorm here on Sunday. So more scattered and widespread than on Saturday than Sunday. And then we get into the overnight hours. As we head into Monday, might have some scattered showers and storms here in the overnight hours on Monday. But then we have this high pressure that's sitting up here in the Gulf of Maine. This is actually going to be building into the southwest. And what this is going to do, a couple things. It's going to have a backdoor front with it. And you can't really see it here, but there's a backdoor front that's going to kind of situate itself like this. This is going to create a marine flow off the ocean, and this is going to create an east wind. Whenever you have that combination, you have cooler temperatures. It comes off the ocean here, this marine flow, and that's going to keep us cooler here on Monday, we think. But question is, how cool does it get? I mean, really hard to believe that temperatures, as indicated in the model guidance, will be stuck near 60 degrees or within a few degrees of 60 degrees, as some of these models have indicated. So right now, siding on the more progressive GFS here, they'll keep this in here one day. Kept temperatures a little bit warmer here, more realistically closer to 70, maybe either side of 70 degrees. But it's a very high volatility type forecast that we're going to have to stay on top of. So anything that happens in the Monday, Tuesday time frame, check back with us frequently. We'll give you updates daily here on what to expect in that time frame, because it can very easily change, especially when you're dealing with a retreating high pressure and a backdoor cold front. These are very tricky to forecast, so just keep that in the back of your mind for any plans Monday and Tuesday, that temperatures can swing from one forecast to another by a good 10 degrees, if not more, and it would be favoring the cooler if that would be the trend. But right now we're sticking kind of right in the middle of the model guidance and sticking right around the 70-degree mark or thereabout. This is another frontal boundary that's going to be coming through here on Tuesday. It's going to push through early Tuesday, we think. We're right now siding with the more progressive GFS, which takes this front through a little bit faster. So this is a look at early Tuesday morning, which is some showers and thunderstorms here. But this is the GFS has us moving up pretty quickly. Reason we're siding with that is you can't see that off the picture here, but there's a very strong high pressure that's building in behind this. Is going to kick this front front eastward, we think, pretty quickly. So kind of siding with the progressive flow here that this moves in a little bit faster. We have partial clearing Tuesday afternoon. I will say that the European model is a little bit slower with this feature, and as such, it keeps much of Tuesday on the cool side. And it also keeps it very wet for most of the day on Tuesday. Again, if we're wrong and it doesn't come out, either way you're going to get precipitation out of this, so it's a win-win. Just a matter of how cool or warm it gets. So again, that is going to be a big thing we're going to be addressing here over the next couple days, and seeing where the models kind of settle on the Monday-Tuesday time frame as we go forward. But the front will eventually clear, and the European model shows that clearing as well. So in time for Wednesday, again, you have high pressure here now showing up here in the picture. It's going to be moving and replacing that, giving us a nice, at least middle part of the week as we head into that late week next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and that is your outlook for May 14th, 2015. Have a great Thursday.